Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details of the beauty products that really make a difference. If you're someone who struggles with dark circles and you've been searching for a full coverage concealer that promises to do the job without caking up, then today's review might just be for you. Let's talk about the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Dark Circles Concealer. This liquid formula comes in a semi-matte finish, and the shade I'm testing out today is 03 Light Neutral. It's designed for normal skin types, and its primary purpose is to help you conceal dark circles, an absolute must-have for anyone who's tired of looking like they haven't slept in days. But does it live up to its promises? Let's get into it. First, the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Dark Circles Concealer comes in a convenient liquid form, which makes application easy and precise, especially around the delicate under-eye area. The formula itself feels lightweight, yet creamy, something I really appreciate when working with under-eye concealers. No one wants that heavy, cakey finish under their eyes, right? The semi-matte finish it gives is subtle, giving your skin a natural look without that sticky, too dry feel that some matte formulas can have. Now let's talk about performance. I've been using this concealer in a variety of conditions: morning skincare routines, long days at work, and even on nights when I had less than ideal sleep. The product does a great job of covering up my dark circles, and I'd say it delivers on its promise of full coverage without being too thick or hard to blend. It's definitely buildable, so you can layer it if you need that extra coverage for more stubborn areas. I found that it didn't settle into fine lines or crease throughout the day, which is a huge win for any concealer. However, the semi-matte finish, while mostly great, did start to feel a bit drying towards the end of the day, especially in my under-eye area. If you have a drier skin type or struggle with fine lines, this may not be as forgiving as you'd like it to be. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth considering, especially if your skin needs a bit more hydration. When it comes to blending, it's easy to work with, and a little goes a long way. The pigmentation is strong, so you won't need to apply multiple layers to see the coverage. I also tested this concealer with different setting powders, and it held up pretty well in all situations, though it does benefit from a light touch with powder to avoid any cakiness. Now, let's talk pros and cons. The pros. This concealer really does give full coverage, it's buildable, and the finish is natural and semi-matte, which means it works well for those who want a polished, yet not overly dry look. It also has great staying power. It didn't fade or crease much throughout the day, which is always a positive. The cons? While it's great for most skin types, the semi-matte finish can be a bit drying for those with drier skin or under-eye areas that need a bit more moisture. Additionally, the product isn't as forgiving in terms of touch-ups if you're using it in a rush. You'll want to make sure to set it properly from the start. Is this concealer worth the price? I'd say yes, especially if you're looking for something that delivers on full coverage while maintaining a natural finish. Given the formula's performance, it offers solid value for the price point. While there are certainly more affordable options, KIKO Milano's formula stands out with its blendability, coverage, and long-wear performance. So I'd say the price is justified. In comparison to other full coverage concealers on the market, this one stands out for being lightweight and not overly drying, which is something that not every formula can pull off. It's definitely a good pick if you want something that will stay in place but not look too heavy. As for build quality, the packaging is simple and sleek, which I love for on-the-go use. The applicator also works well, allowing for precise application without wasting too much product. If you're looking for a more hydrating option, however, you might want to consider other alternatives. Brands like NARS or Tarte offer concealers with more hydrating formulas that may work better for those with drier skin types. To wrap it up, I think the KIKO Milano Full Coverage Dark Circles Concealer does what it says it will do. It provides full coverage without being too heavy. It's best suited for normal to slightly oily skin types. Though, if you're on the drier side, you might need to pair it with a good eye cream underneath. Overall, it's a solid choice if you're in the market for something long-lasting with great coverage. If this review helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review on all things beauty. Your support helps keep reviews like this coming, and I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you've tried this concealer before, drop a comment below. Let's chat about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.